Hello everybody, I'd like to show you my Lab Zero, and I'm going to show you some of the components. This is Arduino Uno, the microcontroller, basic small computer. Here's our breadboard. Here's capacitors and its perspective sign. Here's a battery snap, DC motor and its sign. The diode and the diode symbol. Some gels, some jumper wires that came with our kit, and some LEDs, symbol for the LED, liquid crystal display, an H bridge comes with the kit, some male header pins, an octocoupler, a potentiometer and its given symbol, a piezo and its symbol, a push button and its symbol, and some resistors, symbol, a photoresistor and its given symbol, servo motor, temperature sensor that's included in the kit, a transistor and its given logo, and our USB cable, and our tilt sensor and its given symbol. And I will show you the installed product on my computer. And here we go. This is installed Arduino software onto our computer. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, y'all.